This video represents my task of the GRIPS Spark Foundation internship for the month of May 2021. This task represents the prediction using supervised ML. Here we have to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. And as it is a supervised ML, we know that in case of supervised ML, we feed the data to the machine, or feed the data to the algorithm and train it how to perform different operations and what we expect as output, and then we test it if the algorithm is working or not. So here, at first, what we have to do in any case, that we have to import the libraries and packages we need for the for the task. So here I have imported the pandas package and numpy package for all the numerical, mathematical and scientific calculations, matplotlib for the plotting of graphs, and from scikit-learn we have imported the train and test split, mean squared and mean absolute error to find the error, and R2 score, that is the regression score. Now let's import it. Now that the libraries and packages are imported successfully, now we have to import the data set that we have been given to perform the task on. So we have assigned the URL where we have created a URL variable and assigned the URL of the data set or data frame here to the variable, and using the pandas function of read CSV, we are reading that from the URL, and we are assigning data to data1, that is another variable for temporary purposes, and we are printing it so that we can make sure that the data is imported successfully, and we are printing the data here. So their data is import successful, and the whole data frame or data set is showing here. And for the statistical summary of the series and the summary of the series and the data frame, we use the describe function to get the brief description of the whole data frame. Now we come to the part of data visualization, where we are plotting the hours with respect to the scores. We are plotting the hours in the x-axis and scores in the y-axis. Our plot title is hours versus percentage, and x labels hours studied, and y labels percentage of score, and plot dot show function to show the plot. Here the hours versus percentage plot is represented. Now we have to prepare the linear regression model, so that we can train the algorithm and then thereafter test it. So we have to use the train and test split from the scikit-learn, and iloc is used to locate the certain index values from a data set, and here we are using the train and test split. Now we have to train the model. Now if for that purpose, as it is a linear regression problem, therefore you have to import the linear model of linear regression from scikit-learn. Now now we have to train the algorithm for our expected output, or what output we want, or what it should be. So it just prints linear regression, and now we have to plot it again, that is the regression line plot, and this plot is for the test data. Now we have successfully trained the model for the purpose of the task. Now we have to make prediction, that is, after we have trained we have trained our algorithm. Now we have to test the model by making some predictions. So we are assigning the regressor predict of x test to the y predict and getting the out. We are printing the x test data. Now we are assigning the y test and y predict, that is actual versus predicted data, to a data frame that is called df. We can show here, we can see here that the actual values and the predicted values. And now we have to print the training score and the testing score. Now we are plotting here a bar graph to depict the difference that is between the actual value and the predicted value of the model. Now we have been asked to find what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. So we have taken a variable called hours and assigned the value of 9.25 to it, and there are test variables. My predict is a variable that will uh, predict the test. Now we are printing number of hours and printing the predicted score according to our previous training testing of the model. Now at the end we have to evaluate the model and how much it is how much accurate, or how much accurately we can evaluate using the model, and so that the model can improve itself also. So here we can see that we are successfully able to carry out the prediction using supervised ML task, uh, and evaluate the model's performance based on the various parameters of mean absolute error, mean squared error, root mean squared error, and regression index. Thank you.